We have here statement if x and y are integer with x minus y is greater than 0 and y minus x is greater than 0, then x equals y. First, we have word here if and then. If means we have implication here. For implication, when we have if, then we use symbol like this, or sometimes we have doubles line with arrow at the end. And next, we have comma. It means we have to keep statement of the left side together and on the right side together. Next, we have here word and. And it means that we have here conjunction on the left side. If x and y are integer with, we have x minus y greater than 0 and y minus x greater than 0, then x equals y. Let's first find simple statements. First simple statement will be, and let's put that this will be our, because we have word and, so we have this, for example, r. Next, y minus x will be our s. So we have if r and, for and word, we use symbol and. This means we have conjunction on the left side, r and s. We have to put this in parentheses because we have comma, so we have to keep together these two sentences. And then x equals y. This is our, for example, p. So now we have implication here. We know that implication is false only when hypothesis is true and conclusion is false. So on the left side we have r and s. R is x minus y. And we know that x and y are integers. So this is like -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and so on. We're going from negative infinity to positive infinity. So let's choose two numbers. For example, for x, we can put -10 and y will be our -5. So now we have r is x minus y. So we have, let me copy this x. Our r is, and we will have x minus y. So this is equal, x is -10 minus, we have -5. So this is equal -10 plus 5 is equal -5. So this is less than 0. And when we take s is y minus x, so this is equal -5 minus -10. This is equal -5 plus 10 is equal 5. So this is greater than 0. So we see that for x equals -10 and y equals -5, we have r is -5. So this is less than 0. X minus y is greater than 0. We got that x minus y is less than 0. So this is false. And y minus x is greater than 0. So this is true. We have between r and s conjunction. And we know that conjunction is true only when both statements are true. We have that R is false and S is true. So our conjunction is false. So we got on the left side false statement. When we have on the left side false statement and we have here implication, let me rewrite this, R and S imply P. On the left side we have false. So now it doesn't matter what value has our conclusion, because our hypothesis is false. It doesn't matter what we will get on the right side. Implication is only false when we have true hypothesis and false conclusion, because we got on the left side that this statement is false. It doesn't matter what we have on the right side, true or false. When we have implication, false imply true or false imply true is always true statement. So our statement, if x and y are integer with x minus y greater than 0 and y minus x greater than 0, then x equals y is true statement. And what else we can say? We know that conjunction is true only when both statements are true. So x minus y must be greater than 0 and y minus x is greater than 0 when x and y are integer. This is impossible, but both statements will be true. So that's why our statement will never get true on the left side. We always get false. That's why our statement is true.